Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Term 1, Music and Arts 10, Lesson 2, Week 3 and 4 of DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Let's begin. Subtopic 2, Analysis of Local Creative Works. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Let's learn more. Observe the photo. Guide questions. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Criteria in analyzing creative work. Number 1, originality and creativity. Number 2, cultural relevance. Number 3, craftsmanship and technical excellence. Number 4, audience engagement and impact. Number 5, innovation and adaptability. Number 6, socio-economic contribution. Number 7, sustainability and ethical considerations. Developing and deepening understanding, lesson activity. Activity, analyzing the creative work, Abungot. Objectives, materials. Instructions. Watch this video, Abungot, by Daniel Nesperos.
Ananib kanu tidong auken pangungot. Agkarayam tidurik tibuteng. Agkarkarayam tinamis tiling etko mapanak ijechendaan. Kalyaw ko ti pagbubuhan ken pagalistaan tinagad. Hadapi pagiska na pagala ti para ti bagi. Kaslay gurigur ko ti bay.
Answer the following. 1. Originality and creativity. 2. Cultural relevance. 3. Craftsmanship and technical excellence. 4. Audience engagement and impact. 5. Innovation and adaptability. 6. Socio-economic contribution. 7. Sustainability and ethical considerations. Extended abstract. Making generalizations, learners' takeaways. Activity, my learning hashtag. Objectives. Instructions. Examples. Making generalizations, reflection on learning. Complete these sentences. Evaluating learning, formative assessment. Activity, creative work analysis. Objectives, materials. Instructions. Post a photo of your chosen creative work. Analyze the creative work. Number 1. Originality and creativity. Number 2. Cultural relevance. Number 3. Craftsmanship, technical excellence. Number 4. Audience engagement and impact. Number 5. Innovation and adaptability. Number 6. Socio-economic contribution. Number 7. Sustainability and ethical consideration. Extended abstract. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.